Hello everyone. I am Paul. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Does your roof have a leaking problem? Do you want to get a quick solution from professional roofers? Blue Rain Roofing and Restoration excels in all forms of roofing services, including leak detection and repair. It is sure you will get 24/7 assistance from Blue Rain Roofing and Restoration. Do you want to book an appointment with experts? Make a call at 816-358-7663. Or, you can browse bluerainroofing.com. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.